matapos. Dahil nandito ang ating Season 7 Grand Winner na si Jorvie. At sana naman ngayon nandito tayo sa Hong Kong ay damang-daman nyo pa rin ang Pasko. So again, ini-invite namin kayong lahat na sumabay sa ating caroling. Alright, Jorvie?
Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one.
Sabayan niyo po kami, Bison! Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. In seasons may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
Every prayer and every song, the community